In today's video, I'm going to teach you safe and legitimate alternatives for managing multiple accounts using one phone number. Now, this is a technique that can be immensely useful if you find yourself juggling between numerous profiles and want to streamline your process without breaching any terms of service. To kick things off, Google does provide a little-known convenience where you can use the same phone number to verify multiple accounts. Typically, this ranges between 2 and 5 accounts. It's a simple tactic but can prove invaluable if you're trying to establish different identities or roles within the Google ecosystem. This method ensures you stay well within the guidelines and maintain a structured account management system. However, there might be times when a phone number isn't readily available for verification. Not to worry, as Google sometimes offers the flexibility of using a recovery email address as an alternative means of verification. This is a fantastic option if SMS verification becomes a roadblock. Just ensure that your recovery email is secure and monitored, as it will receive crucial security notifications. Now, when it comes to business needs, you might consider using Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite. If you operate a business or even manage a small team, Google Workspace allows you to create multiple email addresses under one domain legally and efficiently. This not only gives you a professional edge, but also keeps your communications and data organized and secure. It's a perfect solution for businesses aiming for a comprehensive communication platform without intertwining personal correspondence. Let's not forget email aliases, a feature that can help you more than you might realize. By tweaking your Gmail address slightly, you create a wholly new identity without actually setting up a new mailbox. For example, if your email is yourname@gmail.com, you can create variations like yourname plus work@gmail.com or yourname plus shop@gmail.com. The outstanding part is that emails sent to either alias will seamlessly land in your primary inbox, yet you can distribute them for various purposes, be it work, shopping, or subscriptions. Taking advantage of these email aliases can also simplify filtering and organization of incoming mail. By directing specific categories of mail to further dedicated folders or labels, you enhance your productivity and focus. Just remember, keeping these strategies in mind not only aids in hassle-free account management, but also protects you from violating terms of service, which could lead to account suspension or even closure. So there you have it, multiple strategies to manage various accounts securely and legitimately. Whether you're a business owner trying to maintain separate departments or an individual managing personal affairs, these tips are designed to keep you organized and, importantly, above board. Stay tuned for more insights and happy account managing.